Oh yes. So what we're gonna do now is to add a little button image to this worksheet to run our password protected macro. Remember I told you all before, for those who are listening online, the World Wide Web and all over the world, including Mars and Venus as well, and for those who are in Saturn. Right? So we're gonna use our insert tool that Rishma told us about and go to shape. And I'm gonna draw a nice little sort of a button. We're not even using the shape tools, by the way, or the toolbox. Double click in this area and add some text, and we call it sign in. I'm gonna center this a little bit, make this thing look a little bit more professional. Probably change the style of the button a little bit. Right? Looks a lot more better. What we're gonna do now is right click on this button and go to assign macro and select password protected macro, which we have already in our Visual Basic editor. Right, so even if we click on it now like this will come up. Let's do some more work on this program. So okay, this is our code here. We know that if you enter the incorrect password, you get password incorrect. What happens now if access granted? We could print out something to our worksheet. This brings us back to the earlier code that we learned. Yes, yours truly. This workbook. And I think I'm giving Rishma the code sheets. Everybody, in fact. You see? People coughing all outside and all too. Sheet 1. Because I'm going to use sheet 1. And I'm going to put this in cell 1. In fact, I didn't even need to put in all this workbook. I'm going to just take off all of that. And let's put cell 1 dot value. And I really put it there for you all to type it over.
Yes.
And take it off. Equal to welcome to Rishma World. Right, let's try this out. Let's run this thing. Oh, my bad. Let's use our button. Let's save it first. Use the button. Type our incorrect password. Password incorrect, of course. Let's run it again now. Type the correct password. Capital P at SSWORD. Welcome to Rishma World. I saw an error just now there. I was wondering what Rishma World was doing there. First, let's check that. Something went wrong there.
You had the previous thing.
Oh, okay. My bad. Right. I'm gonna take off this again now to make sure that we wasn't getting that error to show up, because we'll have to tidy up that code. Oh, so it didn't print out. Alright, so people, that concludes this part of the session. When next we come back, we're going to be doing a lot more in terms of ages and more if statements. Alright. I don't know if my class would want to hold back for the next half an hour. Alright, so they are begging. But thanks for watching us, and please subscribe to my channel. Until next time.